get burgers. You wanna get a burger? And then he came over and shoved by me, and so I punched. I'm really sorry. I wish I had thought a little bit more before.
One thrown shoe, one shattered window, one spit in the face, 3 criminal charges, 1 constitutional search. This encounter contains more law than most textbooks cover in a single chapter.
Okay. Go sit down over there and we'll talk to you in a minute. Okay.
Yeah, and we'll be out at the old faux cheesy. And it's gonna be a laceration to the wrist.
Yeah. Absolute bullshit. I can't believe this shit happened. Officer, I really promise you. I was just trying to get out of there and get my pizza. Come in and have a slice in there.
Whoa! Yeah. That's a big window, dude. That's a big window. No pizza, let's get burgers. You wanna get a burger? Sam!
They have a new takeout window.
Yeah. Matt, do you mind walking me through what happened?
I don't mind at all. I was getting pizza at Top Slice.
Okay.
And this guy shoved into me as I was trying to leave.
Okay.
And he dropped my drinks all over the ground. And so I just asked him nicely, I said, could you, hi there.
Okay.
And so I asked him, could you pay for my drinks? And he was like, F you bitch. And I'm not gonna lie, I got a little bit feisty because, you know, I'm a woman and like I've been through a lot of bullshit recently. I'm a little bit, you know, upset. And so I'm a little bit testy, I'm not gonna lie.
Okay,
but
so they declined to pay for your drinks that were spilled, and then what happened?
And then I just was like, F you. I'm not gonna lie, I was like, F you guys are assholes. And then he came over and he shoved by me, and so I punched because he already had shoved into me.
Okay.
And so I was like, I don't even think I made contact. I think I'm pretty sure I was just like, you know what I mean? And then I threw my shoe because he was right there. And I think it hit glass. I'm not 100% sure. I didn't mean to, but I'm pretty sure it hit some glass. And so I do apologize. I didn't mean for any of this to happen. I am so sorry, ma'am.
What kind of shoes were you wearing?
I was wearing high heels. I'm so sorry.
Okay.
I just tried to have a good night after like a really bad couple months.
I hear you. We gotta make good decisions though at the same time.
No, I understand 100%, and I'm so sorry. I'm really sorry. I wish I had thought a little bit more before I acted.
Are these the shoes that you were wearing?
Yeah, these are the shoes. Yep.
Just right here?
Okay, looks like she was also fighting with an employee, black male in a black shirt.
I'm so sorry. So embarrassing.
But you're gonna need stitches in probably both your finger and your wrist. Did you do that on purpose?
No, it was an accident. I threw my heel at the window and I wasn't really thinking and it smashed it and then the glass got me.
Go back over here.
Please put those down. Oh, I can put those down? Nope, you can go back where you're supposed to. Thank you. These are evidence. They're gonna have to go.
Right now, you are over this way, okay?
I'm just gonna, can I just ask if I can have my cell phone? Is that okay? Baby, stop it, Ethan! Ethan Daniel! Go! I'm just trying to not get him arrested. Please just tell him to stop.
You can only worry about yourself.
Oh, fuck. Ethan, go! Shut up! Go home!
Okay, Maddie, you're gonna get yourself in more trouble.
I'm sorry,
Follow
I just don't want him to
directions.
get in trouble. Sorry. I just don't want him to in trouble by like saying too much. Just go home. Whatever's gonna happen is gonna happen, but don't get yourself in trouble. I'm okay, I'll call you.
Big step.
Stick in your poke finger.
No,
Okay.
no.
Check with the back of my hand.
Yeah, of course.
Check your waistband.
I was gonna say my belt's
Do you
off.
have anything like stuck in your shirt, like up in your like your leggings or anything?
No, I think you'd probably be able to
See that?
but no, I don't. Just, I don't even think I'm wearing underwear.
Okay. All right. No weapons. No.
No, I don't have nothing.
The thing is, if you have anything on you that's like contraband at all,
No.
that's going to be an additional charge at the jail.
Like even a joint or anything.
No, I don't. I have nowhere to put
Crack pipe,
anything.
Anything.
I have nothing.
Okay.
I
Okay.
mean, no, I don't. I definitely don't. You guys scared me. No, I don't.
Okay. It's just we gotta let. her know.
No, I appreciate it, but I'm like,
Yeah.
now you got me second guessing. No, I don't.
Okay.
We just have to ask.
No, I
Because some
appreciate
people
you
think
asking.
like, oh, a little bit of marijuana.
No, I don't have nothing.
Or something like that, but then it becomes a felony as soon as you. Get
No,
in
I don't
there,
have.
so.
I don't have nothing. Sorry, I was just trying to tuck my like.
No, you're good.
No, you're good.
I got you.
Thank you guys very much. I'm so sorry about tonight. I know you just want to go home.
I'm just gonna tighten it, but it's
Yeah.
not gonna be like tight against you. Okay.
No, I understand. I'm just gonna take deep breaths. Is there any okay.
Is there what?
Is there just any way you could like like a window like maybe like a quarter of a centimeter?
He's gonna. So
He'll decide,
this
okay.
is open right here, and he's gonna start the air conditioning,
Okay.
and he'll blast the air conditioning through.
Okay, I'm really- okay.
Unfortunately, we
No,
can't
that's
open up the
okay.
windows.
I
Okay,
understand.
just for safety.
I
reasons.
understand. Okay.
Actually, if you want to scoot over to the other side, you can get air.
Yeah, you can get better
I'm
air.
okay.
Would you
I'm
like
okay.
to do that?
No, I'm okay. I don't want to cause any problems.
It's not a problem.
No, it's not
I'd
a
much
problem.
rather do it now so that you can get some air.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I'm really
Just
really
watch.
trying.
Just watch
Watch the
that.
hump in the
Yeah,
middle,
there you go.
and then.
I'm sorry, guys. I'm really trying to like keep it all together.
No, you're fine. You're doing great. Here you go.
Sorry, guys. Can you please pull down my shirt one more time?
Yeah.
My titties are gonna fall. Thank you.
Before I go, do you have any other questions for me?
Okay. I'll be okay.
All right. Good luck to you, man.
Thank you.
At what point does frustration become criminal conduct? Which specific statute governs each act in the sequence? The answers define the difference between a bad night and a felony conviction. Florida Statute Section 806.13. Criminal mischief. A person commits this offense when they willfully and maliciously injure or damage real or personal property belonging to another. The damage value controls the severity of the charge. At $10 or more, criminal mischief becomes a third-degree felony, carrying a maximum sentence of 5 years imprisonment under Florida law. Critical legal question. Does throwing a shoe at a person that incidentally breaks a window satisfy willful and malicious intent? Florida courts hold that reckless disregard for probable consequences is sufficient. Specific intent to damage the property itself is not required. Florida Statute Section 784.11. Assault, an intentional threat of violence, with apparent ability to carry it out, that places another person in reasonable fear. Physical contact is not required. Florida Statute Section 784.3. Battery, intentionally touching or striking another person against their will. Under settled Florida law, spitting on another person constitutes battery. Fifth Amendment, U.S. Constitution. No person shall be compelled to be a witness against themselves. Voluntary statements made to officers without invoking this right are fully admissible. Miranda v. Arizona, 384 U.S. 436, 1,966. Before custodial interrogation, officers must advise the right to remain silent, the right to counsel, and that any statement may be used in court. Berkemer v. McCarty, 468 U.S., 420, 1984. On-scene questioning during an active investigation does not automatically trigger Miranda. The controlling factor is whether formal custody has attached at that moment. Chimel v. California, 395 U.S., 752, 1969. A lawful arrest creates categorical authority to search the arrested person and the area within their immediate control, without a warrant or added justification. United States v. Robinson, 414 U.S., 218, 1973. A full-body search following a lawful custodial arrest requires no additional justification. The fact of the arrest itself is the complete constitutional basis for the search. Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S., 386, 1989. Officer conduct is evaluated from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene, not with the advantage of hindsight or information learned afterward. Estelle v. Gamble, 429 U.S., 97, 1976. The state bears a constitutional obligation to provide adequate medical care to persons in custody with known medical needs, beginning at the point of arrest. Key legal takeaways. First, provocation does not justify criminal retaliation under Florida law. Second, voluntary admissions without counsel create direct and immediate evidentiary risk. Third, the law treats intent, recklessness, and accident as distinct categories with meaningfully different consequences at sentencing. The statutes are clear. The case law is established, but deeper questions remain open. Were all charges legally sound on the specific facts recorded? Did the subject understand what constitutional rights she waived with every sentence she spoke? And what legal exposure did the male patron who initiated the confrontation carry? Those answers depend on evidence this camera never captured.